Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to reset your DJI goggles back to factory default. Let's say they're not working out. As you can see, one of our viewers / subscribers is having an issue and wants to reset them. So in this video we're going to show you how to set it back to factory so that moving forward things will be similar to that experience as is just out of the box. So come, let's get started. Alright, so if you want to restore your goggles to factory settings, you're going to want to click on your goggles. Okay, in this case I'm going to push everything here so it works just right for you. Hopefully that works, and wait for it. I'm going to select join. Again, you don't have to do this. Once we bring you into the menu, things will just magically happen. A special thanks to DJI for walking us through the process earlier, because I forgot how to do this. All right, knowing that and moving forward, we connect here. You're going to be in your goggles. You'll see your screen. And oops, these aren't goggles. That's my remote controller. And then what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your menu, right? As you can see, we're wireless right now. And then you're going to go here, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, right? See where it says settings, and then you're going to, I believe it's on about, and then right here, and then reset all. Okay, and when you press reset all, once you click OK, it's gonna, goggles will be restarted when resorting to factory settings. Okay, so once you click OK, everything's gonna be erased, including if you have the FCC hack, but just throw the file back in and you'll be fine. Again, settings, about, okay, and then go to the bottom, go backwards, reset all, and then press OK. Once you press OK, all your settings will be back to normal. But, however, also want to make sure that head tracking is not enabled. See this right here? If it's yellow, that means it's enabled. Highlighted like that, not highlighted, means it's disabled, and that could be why you're experiencing an issue that you're having as described in your email. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Looks like kind of neat, huh? As simple as 1, 2, 3. Just reset it, and hopefully moving forward you'll be able to configure things to work just right for you, and there aren't any more glitches that led you to that point. That's pretty much it. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.